Crochet beautiful idea and crochet beautiful idea pattern or a simplified pattern crochet the tissue box covers and latest stylish with uh, flower applique with green leaves and different flower shades like orange and color blocking look like same flower color and as a decoration and beautiful attraction color blocking with flowers and rainbow shades like pink, yellow, blue and purple and peach, different vibrant color uh, crochet tissue box cover. So as a decoration, as a gifting, most beautiful and attractive styles. So I hope you like it. So guys, see these videos till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and beautiful embellishment and vibrant color and eye-catching look ideas. So I hope you like it. See this video till the end and share this video for your family members and related friends. So I hope you like it my video and this channel, and here are some ideas related to crochet pattern like crochet fruits and food and vegetables.